Hey y'all, it's Chris, and today I have an unboxing and first impressions of the Balvin Medellín Sunset. These released September 23rd, 2023 for a retail price of $250. When I saw early pictures of these sneakers, I knew I had to have them. They're simply beautiful, like they look great. They look super premium, super high quality, and I know that I can dress these up and also dress them down. Not to compare the two, but I'm gonna compare the two. These sneakers right here remind me greatly of the Jordan 1 Unions that released earlier this year. As you can see, I have them right here. And these two sneakers look very similar. The colors are pretty much the same, although the leather on the Unions are more white, while the leather on the Balvins are more cream. But it's as if Jordan brand took the Union 1 leather and just dyed it a little bit more to make the Balvins. Even the lining is the same, right? We have the yellow lining on the Unions and the yellow on the Balvins. But which one do y'all prefer? Do y'all prefer the Unions or the Balvins? They are pretty much almost the same shoe. I think it's crazy how sneakers are becoming so similar. But getting back into the Balvins, the outsole of these are crazy. As you can see, they are super cream, and that's about it. It's the same outsole as any Jordan 3, but this one is just all clear. The elephant print on the shoe also fits into the shoe's overall makeup. It's a nice cream elephant print. I don't think we've seen an elephant print like this before, but it pretty much meshes the whole shoe and just brings it all together. The leather is very soft, very plush, very buttery. This is definitely a high quality, high premium level sneaker. Jordan brand definitely did their thing with this pair. On the collar, we have nice rough suede, which is crazy though, because on Nike they said it was supposed to be soft, but this is definitely rough. And on the midsole, we have a nice gradient that's supposed to represent the Medellín Sunset. That same gradient can also be found on the pull tab. On the right shoe, we have Balvin Smiley, while on the left shoe, we have Nike Air. This is the Jordan 3, and this also serves as Balvin's third collaboration, if I'm not mistaken, with Jordan brand. I have the Jordan 2s. I just don't have the Jordan 1s, but I might pull the trigger on those because prices are coming down. But if I'm being honest, I definitely want to get the 1 so I can complete my set. The Jordan 2s did not do well. It retailed for $300. People was not feeling that. And I was also a Jordan 2, which is a Jordan model that people don't really like. I got my pair for like $180 from GOAT, which I thought was a steal, but that $180 I paid should have been the retail price to begin with. Overall, the presentation of the shoe is great. The packaging is nice. The hang tag is nice. I'm gonna get into more detail when it comes to the shoe in my next video. I'm doing a full complete review, so like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn post notifications on so you know when I post that video. But just let y'all know right now, it's dropping tomorrow. So stay tuned for the full review. I just checked in, gave you a first impression of the Balvin 3s, and I'm checking out. Thank you for watching.